12 out of the mid now, 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 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13,000, gonna do 13,000, now 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13,500, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
Here's lot 295, is a HAAS Super Mini Mill number 2, year 2008, included with the 4th axis you can see in here. We'll go ahead and cycle it, let you see everything in action. As you can see, lot 295 is a good running machine, 4th axis, year 2008. If this HAAS isn't the one you're looking for, please take a look at the entire auction. There's many HAASs available, all different sizes and options. Good luck, hope you get a great deal.
95, you're at 9, don't raise your bid, now 9,500, sure. 95 to the mid, now 95, got it, now 10,000, 10 to the mid, now 10,000, give me 10, now 10,500, 10 to the mid, 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 now 10,500.